This chapter is about exclusive palette. In the previous chapter, we explained how to create and store shared palette. What is exclusive palette? Click fixture on the right column. Select beam lights. Press locate to light up fixtures. Rotating wheel to select red. Click group and palette on the right column. Press store button. Click on the blank position to create and store this red palette. Rotating wheel to select orange. Press store button. Click on the blank position to create and store this orange palette. Press clear. Then select all beam lights. Press locate to light up fixtures. Click group and palette on the red column. Click on the palette we just created and store. The first is red palette. Only two lights change color. Which are the two lights we just used to create palette? The second is orange color. Also, only two lights change color. So, exclusive palette tile is created and stored with two or more fixtures. We can choose exclusive palette to create and store position palette. Click position. Click fixture on the right column. Select fixtures. Press locate to light up fixtures. Click group and fixture on the right column. Press store button. Why can't we create and store palette? Because we have not activated the corresponding attributes. Click position attribute. Rotating ruler and B to activate pawn, tool attribute. Press store button. Then click on the blank position. The palette has been successfully created and stored. Rotating will be to adjust tool position. Press store button. Then click on the blank position. Second exclusive palette has been successfully created and stored. Press clear. Click fixture on the right column. Select fixtures. Press locate to light up fixtures. Click group, palette. Click on the first position palette. Click on the second position palette. The above content is about how to create and store exclusive palette. This chapter is about the classification of palette. Click group and palette on the right column. The palettes are divided into 10 categories, such as all, dimming, position, global, color, and so on. First, let's take a look at the classification of all. Click fixture. Press clear. Select the beam light. Press locate to light up. Rule rating will be and the tool just tilt and pan position. Click global attribute. Rotating wheel to select the global. Click color attribute. Rotating wheel to select color, such as red. Click group fixture. We create and store a palette in the all category. Double click on the blank position to create and store. Or press the store button first. Then click on the blank position to create and store. We can use the above two methods to create and store palette. Click position. Press store. Click on blank position to create and store a palette in the position category. Click global. Press store. Click to store a palette in the global category. Click color. Press store. Click on blank position to store a palette in the color category. Press clear. Click fixture. Select fixtures. Press locate to light up fixtures. Click group, palette. Click color. Click on the palette we just stored. We just stored a lot of different types of palettes, but only the color changed. Press locate button. Click on this palette. At this time, the changes of fixture are position, global, color. Press locate button. Click position. Click on this palette. At this time, fixtures only change the position. Click global. Press locate first. Click on this palette. At this time, fixtures only change the global. Click color. Press locate button. Click on this palette. At this time, fixtures only change the color. Different categories will only store corresponding attributes. For example, the color category can only store color attributes. For example, the position category can only store position attributes. The above content is about the classification of palette and the use of each category.